Welcome to Chapter 11 of Class 8 Science, Keeping Time with the Skies. In this fascinating chapter, we'll explore why the moon changes shape, how ancient civilizations tracked time using celestial bodies, and the different calendar systems that evolved to match astronomical cycles. We begin with Mira's discovery at the Kite Festival, where she noticed the moon during daytime and observed its changing phases. Get ready to discover why festivals shift dates, how leap years work, and what makes the Indian calendar system so sophisticated. Let's begin by understanding moon phases through simple observation. When you track the moon over a month, you'll notice it changes from a full circle to a thin crescent and back again. These changes aren't random, they follow a predictable 29.5-day cycle. The moon doesn't emit its own light but reflects sunlight, and we see different portions of this illuminated side as the moon orbits Earth. Understanding these phases helps explain many cultural and religious practices tied to lunar cycles. Now let's explore why we see the moon differently throughout its cycle. Through simple experiments with balls and lights, we can simulate how the relative positions of Sun, Earth, and Moon create the phases we observe. When the moon is between Earth and Sun, we see no illuminated portion, this is new moon. When Earth is between Sun and Moon, we see the fully illuminated phase, this is full moon. The intermediate positions create crescent, quarter, and gibbous phases. The moon also rises about 50 minutes later each day, explaining why we sometimes see it during daylight hours. Let's investigate how ancient civilizations used natural cycles to create calendars. Three fundamental cycles became the basis of timekeeping: the solar day from Earth's rotation, the lunar month from Moon's phases, and the solar year from Earth's revolution around the Sun. The challenge was that these cycles don't divide evenly. 12 lunar months equal 354 days, which is 11 days shorter than the solar year. Different civilizations developed different solutions to this mathematical problem, leading to various calendar systems. Now let's explore the three main types of calendars. Lunar calendars follow the moon's cycles exactly, causing festivals to drift through seasons. Solar calendars follow the sun's cycle, keeping seasons fixed but losing connection to moon phases. Lunisolar calendars, like the traditional Indian system, combine both by adding extra months when needed. Each system reflects different cultural priorities and practical needs. The Gregorian calendar we use today is a solar calendar with leap years to handle the 365.25-day solar year. Let's examine the sophisticated Indian calendar system in detail. The Hindu calendar is a lunisolar system that maintains both lunar and solar accuracy. It uses Adhik Maas, or extra months, added approximately every 2 to 3 years to keep lunar months aligned with solar years. This system preserves the connection to moon phases for religious purposes while maintaining seasonal accuracy for agricultural activities. Ancient Indian astronomers developed remarkably precise calculations that still form the basis of this calendar today. Now let's trace the evolution of timekeeping from ancient methods to modern technology. Early civilizations used sundials, water clocks, and candle clocks. The mechanical clock revolutionized timekeeping in the 14th century, followed by pendulum clocks in the 17th century. Today we have atomic clocks that are accurate to within 1 second in millions of years. Interestingly, our most advanced technology still depends on understanding celestial motions. GPS requires ultra-precise timekeeping to calculate positions accurately. Let's explore the cultural significance of calendars beyond mere timekeeping. Calendars organize social life, mark cultural events, guide agricultural activities, and preserve traditions. Different calendar systems reflect the values and knowledge of the cultures that created them. The Gregorian calendar serves international business, while lunar calendars maintain religious traditions, and lunisolar calendars balance both needs. Understanding these systems helps us appreciate cultural diversity and historical continuity. As we conclude this chapter, let's review the key concepts and their importance. We've learned about moon phases and their causes, the foundation of calendars in celestial cycles, different calendar systems and their characteristics, the sophistication of the Indian lunisolar calendar, and the evolution of timekeeping technology. This knowledge helps us understand everything from traditional festival dates to modern navigation systems. Remember that looking up at the moon connects you to centuries of human observation and cultural tradition.